मकबूजा जम्मू और कश्मीर की खसूसी हैसियत को ख़त्म करने और मकबूजा खत्ते में आबादी का तनासब तब्दील करने के लिए नाफिज किए गए नए डोमिसाइल कानून के हवाले से अल जज़ीरा टीवी ने गुज़श्ता दिनों एक खसूसी ऑनलाइन डिस्कशन प्रोग्राम का एहतमाम किया। प्रोग्राम में गुफ्तगू करते हुए कश्मीरी नौजवानों ने नए डोमिसाइल कानून के हवाले से कश्मीरियों के खदशात को आलमी बरादरी के सामने रखा।
So the biggest fear in Kashmir right now is that this is going to cause a demographic change. But what I want to point out over here is that the demographic change is not going to take place. It has already taken place. What is happening right now is just a de jure legitimization of what is already de facto. So the 2011 census, and bear in mind that this is 9 years have already passed since this census. According to that, there are between 1.5 to 1.7 million non-Kashmiri migrant laborers who have lived in Kashmir already for 15 years. Now, that is roughly 15% of the total population of Jammu and Kashmir. They will now get to vote in Kashmir's local elections, and so the new domiciles will acquire incredible political power, and they will be eligible for domiciles in Kashmir.
कश्मीरियों का कहना है कि नए डोमिसाइल कानून का मकसद कश्मीरी मुसलमानों की शनाख्त को मिटाना और आबादी के तनासब को तब्दील करते हुए बैनुल अक़वामी सतह पर मुसल्लमा तनाज़ा जम्मू और कश्मीर की हैयत को तब्दील करना है।
The idea is to invisibilize Kashmiri Muslims, and which will actually essentially change the nature of the Kashmiri dispute, which is a recognized dispute before the United Nations. So the fear is real, and they are experiencing this at a time when they have been coming from a prolonged shutdown since August, and now this another lockdown. So Kashmir has been shut literally for more than a year now, around a year now, and there is no internet, and there is a curb on civil liberties. You cannot hold protests. I mean, people are still locked up. And when this is sort of seen in the context of what is happening with the Muslims in India, I mean, all of that is getting registered here, and people are actually preparing for something which they haven't seen, because it is going to be an onslaught, not from the military only, but from the people, I mean, who are being sort of incentivized to be part of and be the residents of this disputed territory.
कश्मीरी आवाम का कहना है कि नए डोमिसाइल कानून से न सिर्फ जम्मू और कश्मीर में कश्मीरियों को मिलने वाली मुलाजमतों में कमी हो जाएगी, बल्कि कश्मीर के कुदरती वसाइल और माहौलियात पर भी बुरे असरात मुरतब होंगे।
When you are sort of giving citizenship to unbridled citizenship to people who have stayed here for some period of time, then you are actually cutting the proportion of jobs for local Kashmiris, and which basically are disempowering economically. And secondly, when we talk about land, settlement of land, Kashmir has only 30% of land inhabitable where people can stay, and there is already land crunch. So this will necessarily go into the economic ecological destruction, and there will be a huge impact on the environment. And Kashmiris actually feel that. And at the same time, you have to look at the amount of land occupied by Indian paramilitary forces in Kashmir. I mean, it is there are like 6 lakh canals of land under their control, and we have seen recently that in North Kashmir's Baramulla district, we have seen army issuing notices to the government saying that like we want to purchase this land. I mean, this has happened for the first time in the history that army is actually saying that they want to own this land. Otherwise, they have just a temporary arrangement there. Eventually, that land is going to become much like how Israeli defense forces own land in Palestinian occupied territories.
अगरचे भारत की हमेशा से ये कोशिश रही है कि वो जम्मू और कश्मीर के ज़मीनी हक़ाइक़ को आलमी बरादरी से मख्फी रख सके, लेकिन कश्मीरी नौजवान नस्ल को जब भी मौका मिलता है वो अपना मौक़िफ़ आलमी बरादरी के सामने रखते हैं। अब ये अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा और आलमी बरादरी की ज़िम्मेदारी है कि वो महसूर कश्मीरियों की आवाज़ सुने और उनकी दादरसी करें।